Hello, so I'm at a cafe. That's why my volume is very low, but I actually came here to study for my mid-semester and I am getting back to it. So I have completed one subject, so I'm happy about that. But it's like what 6:30 right now, and I have to go home. So I think I'll wait one more hour, like till 7 or 7:30, and then I'll go home and I'll study again. So that's about it. Hi guys, so I have to make note for one subject. So today I'm done with my power electronics, but I have to do my AML. So I have decided tomorrow I'll do AML. So my teacher has given us a question and I just have to find the question answers to the question, and then tomorrow I'll just study them. So for like 1 hour I'm going to do that. I'm excited to go home and chill, but also today it was a very productive day. I'm proud of myself.